Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abe Jacobs, and on today's update video I want to show you guys the recent information about the Layeredge airdrop that we've been mining so far, and also to show you other updates about other airdrop projects we are currently active in. But before I get into this content, I would like you guys to please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. So guys, the next phase of the Layeredge airdrop is upon us. Now once you go to your new dashboard, you are going to see your dashboard looking like this. Now all you have to do is click on get started, and from there you are going to connect your wallet. Then you are going to click on connect. Then from there you can see your dashboard looking like this, and this is the phase 3 of the Layeredge airdrop project. Now in order for us to start on the season 3, all you have to do is go down and you review your EdgeGain OS key. But before you do that, you have to download the EdgeGain OS extension first. So I'll be downloading my extension first, and then I'll be showing you guys the next few steps as well. So right here, as you guys can see, I have the EdgeGain OS Lite node installed on my browser. So I will go back to my dashboard in order to activate my node mining. Now guys, back on my dashboard, all I have to do is come down here and you click on review my EdgeGain OS key. Then after that, it's going to tell you successfully the key has been generated. Then after that, you are going to copy the key. And then you are going to open your EdgeGain OS extension, and then you are going to paste in your key right here. Then once you paste in your key, you click on the arrow button. Then after that, it's going to tell you your wallet successfully connected, so you can go ahead and start your node. Then as you guys can see, your node will be connected and it will be up and running. So guys, this next update about the Layeredge is to checking our season 1 and season 2 airdrop allocation. So guys, the wallet you use to mine your Layeredge first season 1 and season 2, you are going to copy the seed phrase of that particular wallet and then you import it into the OKX wallet application. Then upon importing it to the OKX wallet application, then you are going to see on the main dashboard, check EdgeGain airdrop exclusively on OKX wallet. Now all you have to do is click on check and you'll be able to see your number of tokens allocated for your EdgeGain airdrop. So that's all for the EdgeGain update. First is to tell you that the new season has started, and I've also showed you guys how to get your node running, and also for you guys to check your airdrop allocation, and launching might possibly come next month. Now the next update I want to show you guys is the Nodego airdrop extension mining we've also been doing so far. So guys, this is the Nodego airdrop extension, and as you guys can see, I've been able to verify my wallet on this particular verification will be ending in a few hours, and the cost of verifying your Nodego account is just an average of about $1.5 worth of Solana. So guys, this offer is ending in a few hours, and I want you guys to act fast on this. Buy Solana from a centralized exchange and send it to your wallet connected to your Nodego account, and from there you verify. The first verification is going to get you eligible, and you can also go for the second verification if you want to participate in the lucky box. I have already highlighted members in my Telegram community in order for them to go and act on this as fast as possible. So if you are farming this airdrop, please go right now and verify your wallet in order for you to be eligible for the TGE and airdrop as well. Feel free to join our Telegram channel. The link will be posted in the description box, where we share free airdrop offers and updates for you guys. And also feel free to join our crypto trading group as well. All links are provided in the description. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. Thanks.